Hey y'all, Chris from Key Farm. So I've had this new project going for a while now because I'm working pretty slow here lately. But this is the Key Farm MG. Now, I still got the truck with the 440 Duromax in it, but when I got to thinking about what's going to be the face of the channel, I didn't think the truck was quite cool enough. So I went out and bought a 2-door roadster and put a 440 Duromax in it. Let's walk around and take a look. Alright y'all, so I bought this car about an hour and a half away. I found it on Marketplace. The wheels did not look like that. They looked like this right here. It didn't have any seats in it. I just bought some seats out of a Toyota MR2 and they're not even fastened down. It did not have a steering wheel. That is an eBay steering wheel, and I managed to make the MG thing fit in the middle. I was pretty proud of myself. It's a standard 4-speed. The dash was in really bad shape, so I took it out. It doesn't have any interior, it's just a shell. But I like it. Alright, when I got it, it had an MG engine in it, but it didn't have any carburetor or any exhaust. By the way, the guy that I bought this from had his own private junkyard. How cool was that? His name's Barry. Here's Barry when I went to pick it up. Hey y'all, Chris from Key Farm. So, you've seen our past projects with the Predator 212s and the single cylinders and the vehicles, the tractor and the truck. Well, this is Barry. And Barry just sold me this. A 1975 MG. We'll see if we can make it happen. So anyway, Barry's an interesting fella. I don't know too many people that own their own junkyard. Pretty interesting. So anyway, he bought this car in the junkyard for $500 and decided he wasn't going to do anything with it, so he passed it on to me for $500. So the first thing I did was get the old motor out of it. Now all this front and some of this other video, you'll see that the front's off. Anyway, I got the 440 in there. There'll be another video about what it looked like before, but now we got to see some of it running. Hey y'all, and the plan is to paint it all black and put neon green lettering on it, just like the thumbnails on the videos that say Key Farm all over it. This is the face of the channel. Other than the donkey, you know, the one that you click on to go to the channel. You guys know what I mean. Come along. Alright, hey, 4-speed shifter is pretty simple. Straightforward first. Y'all, it is unbelievable that 18 horsepower moves this little car the way that it does. It's topping out at 40 miles an hour right now. But we're so close to the ground, it feels fast. You really do get the 2-door roadster convertible feel out of it. Even though it's a $500 car with a $350 motor. Oh, and that 10-inch header makes it sound like a race car. far, this is my favorite project. And I have built a lot of cool stuff. This is a stock 440 Duromax. All the way back into the shop. Success. Oh, I like it a lot.
Oh, I like it a lot.
Hey y'all. So I am really digging my new project. Look y'all, this is a $500 car with a $350 motor and I don't know, another $150 in chains, sprockets, clutches, and miscellaneous, throttle parts and whatnot. So let's just call it $1,000. I have not put tires on it yet. It has boat trailer tires on it. It's just what it had when I got it. Barry and I had to air them up to get it on the trailer. They would not hold air. I dismounted them and remounted them, got them to hold air. They're really tall. They're not cool looking tires, so I need some more low pro sporty tires on it. That'll happen in the future, especially if y'all watch this video. Remember, if the video does good, then we can do more to the car. That's just the way the world works. But man, I've only had this thing running 2 days. I've been working on it 3 months because I'm working kind of slow lately. I got a day job. Very, very thankful for the day job. Oh, by the way, I got to make a video about the day job. There was a development back in February. Pretty significant development about the day job. So, y'all, I love this car. I'm not really fond of convertibles. I've never really had one, but the ones I've rode in just didn't seem like... I mean, yes, they're awesome when it's sunny outside, but they kind of suck the rest of the time. But this one's only going to be driven when it's sunny outside. So, y'all, this car is going to be so much fun. We're going to have an under the hood video coming up soon. I got to get this thing painted all black with green lettering on it. This is going to be the Key Farm promotional car that I can take to car shows and hopefully show people what I've done and hopefully get people to watch videos. Hey, I appreciate every single one of you. And there's more to come on this cool project. Hey, thanks for sticking with me all this time. I know it's been a long time between videos, but that's life. Hey, love God, love people, and watch some of these other cool videos that you may have missed. Bye.
Oh, I like it a lot.